guys, today I'm going to talk about how to use Google Trends for your gaming live streams. Why use Google Trends? Overall, it shows what games people are interested in looking up and maybe what times people are most likely interested in watching that game. So if you're having trouble picking a game for your channel and curious to see if people will even watch, this may help you out. So let's go ahead and begin. We are on Google right now. Let's type in Google Trends. First thing that comes up, Google Trends. All right, so here's where we're going to search a topic. I need to pick a game for my channel. So I'm going to look up a few games that I think would work well on my channel. Number one, let's go ahead and start with Among Us. I like Among Us. A lot of other people seem to like Among Us, I think, I hope. So let's go ahead and find out what the world thinks. So inside of the past 12 months, fantastic. Look at that. It was booming at one point in time, September 27th, 2020. Look at how amazing it is. It's dead AF now, isn't it? Only 9 people have looked it up. No, that's not how this works in any way, shape, or form. So we're looking at it from 12 months ago, just inside of the United States on Google Web Search. What it first shows you inside of here is not what you're going to be looking at. So let's go ahead and start. Let's go ahead and begin. First off, we're going to change the United States to worldwide. Next thing we're going to do is change the past 12 months because we don't care about what it did 10 years ago. We care about what's happening right now in the present time. So we're going to change it from the past 12 months. I personally use the past 7 days. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at it. Here's the past 7 days. This tells you what's going on, what time of day for this said game. So you can actually look at it and go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can actually look it up on a calendar and say, on this day, it's this popping. And not just that, it goes down to the hour as well. So it's really cool to look at. If you're a live streamer, what you want to look at is not when it's peaking, but when it's rising. You care about when people begin to search, not when they're done searching for the day. So you don't want to go live when it's at its absolute peak sort of thing. You want to go live at a time where it's frequently rising per day. So we'll look right here inside of the very left-hand side. You can see that it starts very, very low at 4 a.m. It shows 4 a.m. It starts to rise, but here's where the rise really happens at around 12 noon. So right at about 12 p.m. is when it's telling me on that specific day when it typically rises. You're going to look at it for the next day, 12 p.m., same exact thing. Right at around 12 to 13 there. On that specific day, it kind of had a stalemate, and then it just boosted up. Same thing, here's the rise, 12 o'clock. So it's telling me, for this specific game, the good boost in viewership is right around that time for the next couple of hours. So 12 o'clock frequently on those days for this specific game. You can specify a little bit further under all categories by going down to games. This will change up your chart. Change your web search. This one's definitely really important. Change your web search to YouTube search. Because if you leave it on web search, it's including Google search. Let's go ahead and add some games in for comparison. Adding games for comparison is very important because you're trying to choose which game to play. So let's add in 5 games that we would be interested in playing on the channel. I'm going to choose Among Us. I'm going to choose Fall Guys. I'm going to choose Zelda. I love Zelda. I don't play Zelda on the channel, but it would be interesting to add on. I'm going to choose Fortnite because I play Fortnite on the channel. I'm going to choose Mario Kart 8. Mario Kart 8! Okay, so I'm going to choose Mario Kart 8. Okay, so now we're looking at the chart when it's all versus each other. Obviously, you could tell right off the bat that Fortnite's just an absolute powerhouse. Following closely behind it is Zelda. If you're looking for what is currently being searched up and what is currently being looked up on YouTube, then this chart will definitely help. Okay, so when you scroll down, you'll see compared breakdown by region. It'll tell you what's most popular inside of what regions. On the right-hand side is a little bit more important because as you scroll down a little bit further, it's going to come up with boxes that say related queries. Related queries are things that people are currently searching up. As you go down the list, some things are more popular or more trending for certain games. Like Fall Guys, the Golden Hot Dog is something that just came out a couple of days ago, and everybody's been looking up the Golden Hot Dog, trying to retrieve it. So that's 700% through the roof. People are just looking for, searching up. You can go down to Zelda Breath of the Wild. People are apparently looking for it on PC. That's 50%. When we scroll down to Fortnite inside of our related queries, when it says breakout, that means it's heavily searched for right now. So I would use related queries for titling and tagging if you can keep it relatable inside of your live stream, and only if you can keep it relatable inside of your live stream. So what did we learn here? We learned Fortnite's still massive today and booming, and it would be the clear choice if you're looking at this solely for viewers interested in these games. Do note, though, when a lot of people are searching for a game, it usually has the effect of calling a lot of live streamers to its attention. So if you're going to fight for the big rewards, then you better not slack on your metadata or your thumbnails. Oh, and bring your A game, because you're fighting for a place in this endless sea of other live streamers that are just as hungry for this as you are. Thank you guys for watching. I live stream pretty much every day, 1 p.m. PST, which is 3 p.m. Mountain Time, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 9 p.m. for those of you inside of the UK. If you could hit that like button on your way out, I would definitely appreciate it. We'll see you guys in the next video.